Hi, it's Chris. In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the lower spray arm in your Whirlpool dishwasher. To replace the spray arm in your Whirlpool dishwasher does not require any special tools at all. Keep in mind if your machine needs to be repaired, it's usually simple enough to do it yourself. Visit PartSelect.com, enter your model number, and quickly find and order the part you need. Some of the reasons you'd be looking at replacing that lower spray arm would be one, that the spray arm is not rotating the way it should be, and that's usually caused by dirt and debris getting caught up inside the spray arm. And in most cases you can poke that out, but when you find that it keeps coming back or you're not able to get it out, you're going to have to replace that lower spray arm. So to replace the lower spray arm in your Whirlpool dishwasher, first thing you're going to do is open the door. We're going to want to remove the lower rack. And now all we need to do is just take hold of the collar that's underneath the spray arm itself and just rotate it counterclockwise and it'll lift right off. To install your spray arm, you're just going to bring it into place, lower it onto the tower, rotate the locking collar in a clockwise direction until you feel it snap into place. Spray arm's turning nice and free. Now we just need to replace our rack. Close up our door, and it's just that easy to replace the lower spray arm in your Whirlpool dishwasher.